everybody, today I'm testing out this MAONO microphone. It's a gaming podcasting microphone with an aluminum case, and this is brand new, just from Amazon, and I'm using it for YouTube to overdub videos or to do live streams. But it comes in this nice retail box, and I'll open it up here and just give you a quick peek at it. I'm not going to do an unboxing, just a quick unboxing because I don't want to waste your time. Here is the aluminum case. And you can see everything comes like that, all wrapped in plastic. Okay, I took all the components out of the plastic, and to my surprise, this case has two levels. As you can see, and this is another foam level, which kind of carries all the components. Like here is the microphone, boom, just put it in there. And I'm going to be using this between two different houses, so it'll be going back and forth between our summer home and our regular home. But anyway, it comes with the windscreen, which I guess I'm not going to use unless I use it outside with the laptop. The microphone itself. And this is a blocker for sudden sounds, like if you're going on the microphone, it won't distort the microphone at all, or the audio. Here's the base. Here is the pole for the base. And here is the microphone holder. And here is the USB cord to connect the microphone to the computer. And it has this here, which will block any electrical sounds or distortion and keep the audio smooth. And then it comes with the instructions. So I'll put it together right now, and after I put it together, then we'll test it out, and everything from then on will be audio from the microphone. I'm in the middle of assembling this, and this base here is all cast iron, very heavy, so it'll stay still. And then you just screw this pole into it, and on top of the pole you screw the microphone holder. And what I wanted to mention is that all around inside where the microphone sits is surrounded with foam, so your mic is not going to vibrate against the metal and give any distortion. The rest of this video will be from the microphone itself, so you can hear how good it sounds. And here are the specs from the side of the box. And now I'm going to show you how I have it set up. Okay, I have it all hooked up, and you can turn this any which way and make any adjustment, as you can see. And here is where I have it plugged into, my USB hub. And you gotta have one of these. These are great. You can plug anything you want into them. And you can see right here I have it plugged in, and it recognizes it right away as soon as you plug it in, installs the driver. And yeah, very easy to use right off the bat. I'm using this in Vegas Pro 14, and all you have to do is load the program, and it'll be able to use the microphone directly. You hit the record button right there. It'll make a new track, and you can edit the track any way you want to adjust the sound later on. But anyway, very happy with this microphone. You can get it on Amazon, and that's all. Take care, everybody.